Recently, the Honorable Chief Justice of India, B.R. Gavai, has given a well-balanced judgment on using firecrackers in Delhi. Delhi and surrounding cities, surrounding area, especially Delhi, Haryana, Punjab and Uttar Pradesh. These are the four states which are covered under this judgment. And what is the judgment? Judgment is that there should not be any kind of use of firecrackers, use, transportation, purchase, sale, any kind of any of these activities are not allowed in these four states as far as the firecrackers are concerned. So the alternative is given by the Chief Justice that the people can use green crackers in place of firecrackers, the conventional firecrackers. So this is the judgment which is given, and the use of the firecrackers is allowed only for 4 days, starting on 18th of October up to 21st of October. So 4 to 5 days only firecrackers are allowed to use. And secondly, the timing is also given. Timing is 6 o'clock morning, 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. That is only 1 hour from 18 October to 21st October, and evening time 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. So this is the timing which is given by the Supreme Court of India to use the firecrackers. Second very important thing. So what is the difference between conventional firecrackers and green crackers? So lot of difference is there, and the firecrackers which are supposed to be said as green crackers will be permitted only by NEERI, that is National Environmental Engineering Research Institute. So all the firecrackers will be properly permitted by the NEERI, and these firecrackers only will be used in Delhi, and no outside firecrackers are allowed to come in Delhi. Only firecrackers which are manufactured in Delhi and which are supported by NEERI as a green crackers will be allowed and used in Delhi for 4 to 5 days time.